Yes, hi, hello, good morning children. How are you all? Okay, thank you, I'm also fine. Welcome back to our online classes. Yes, in the previous class, we were discussing about speed, distance and time. Yes, we found the formula. Yes, that is to get speed of an object. Yes, distance covered by an object divided by time taken. Yes, this time. If you put the values of distance and time, we can get a speed. In what? Kilometer per hour or otherwise meter per second. Meter per second. These are the units for to get the speed. If you want the distance, yes, very simple. To get the distance, we can rearrange this formula and we can write distance is equals to speed. Yes, into time. Speed into time, it may kilometer or meter. We can get kilometer in kilometer or meter or in a centimeter also. But here, if you want time, then time is equals to, we can rearrange. Yes, send to the left side. This speed will get, yes, again it is inverse. Then distance by speed. Distance by speed we can write. Then time in, yes, the unit for the time hours, we can find it in hours or in seconds. In hours or in seconds. These three formulas very important. First you should know this one. After that, while rearranging, you can get this. It's very simple. No? That is speed equals to distance by time. Yes, that is you calculate in kilometer per hour or meter per second. Next is distance. Distance is equals to speed into time. That is kilometer distance or in a meter time. That is distance by speed. Then we can get that is in hours or seconds. Very simple. Yes. Now we have some stories. Some stories we can solve those story problems by using these formulas. By using these formulae, we can solve those stories. Yes. Now first one. Let's open the page number, textbook page number 79. Sorry, 181. Yes. Solve these story problems. Solve these story problems. First one. Yes, question will write. Solve these story problems. In that, A. Yes, the speed of a scooter is 40 km per hour. The speed of a scooter is 40 kilometers per hour. Yes, 40 kilometers per hour is. Next, what is the distance will it cover? What is the distance will it cover in how many hours? 5 hours. In 5 hours. Yes, the distance how much will cover in 5 hours, that we have to calculate. Very simple. We know the formula. Yes, here what they given? Yes, given is speed. Yes, is equals to 40 km per hour. Then one more what given? Time is given. Time t is equals to yes 5 hours. 5 hours. Then we have to calculate distance d is equals to question mark. Yes, I told formula what we know. Yes, write that formula first. Speed is equals to distance covered by scooter and time taken. Yes, divided by time taken. Then distance is equals to, we can write distance is equals to speed into time, where speed is 40 kilometers per hour, then time is 5 hours. Then we can write it is 5 4s are 20 and 1 0 in the multiplicand, then 200 kilometers. 200 kilometers. This is the distance D is equals to. Simple now? Yes? Write down this one. Right? Very simple problem. Pause the video and you can write it. Yes. Second question. Very simple problems. First you should understand the problem. What we have to find? Speed given, distance given, then time. If speed given, time given, then distance. If distance, time given, then speed. A train covers a distance of a distance of a train covers distance of 660 kilometer in 5 hours. 660 kilometer in 5 hours. Very speed. Yes or no? Find its speed. What is its speed? What is its speed? Yes, I think you all travel by train. Yes, it takes more time to cover 660 kilometer. Here it is very fast. In 5 hours it covers 660 kilometer. Then what is its speed? You find solution. Yes, here the distance given D is equals to 660 kilometer and time given T is equals to 5 hours. Then you should calculate S speed is equals to question mark. Then we know speed S is equals to distance by time. Then distance is what? 660 kilometer. Time is 5 hours. Then calculate. Here cancellation you can do. Yes or no? 5 1 10. Yes. Here 5 1 10. Again 1 is remaining. 1 plus 1 and 6 16. 5 3 times. Yes. Again 1 remain 1 0. This 10 5 2. So then 132 kilometer per hour. Yes. What is the speed of this train? 132 kilometer per hour. That is the speed of the train. Yes. Simple now. Yes. Write down this one also and see question. Write this second one. Question and answer both are written. Copy this one in your notebook. Write neatly. After this, see question we will solve. Totally how many are there? 7 questions are there. Now we solve 2 questions. Still 5 are there. We solve all 5 questions. Very simple to get the speed, distance or time. Mahesh traveled 1500 meter. Mahesh traveled 1500 meter. Mahesh traveled 1500 meter. Yes, by cycle at the speed of, yes, you are also riding cycle now. Yes, then he also traveled 1500 meter at the speed of 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second. Find the time taken. Find the time taken to complete to cover that distance. To cover this 1500 distance, how much time did he take? Convert the distance in kilometer, and again convert this distance. Convert the distance in kilometer. Yes, very simple it is. Distance to kilometer. Convert the distance to kilometer. Yes, first one you calculate, the speed is given, the distance is given, then time, how much time did he take? Yes, distance is equals to 1500 meter and speed S is equals to 10 meter per second. Then time is equals to question mark. Yes, then we know that time is equals to distance by speed. Yes or no? Speed is distance by time, and you send this time to left side and take speed to the right side. Then we can write distance is 1500 meter, speed is 10 meter per second. Then cancellation, this 10 10 only one is remaining, 150 seconds. 150 seconds. This is the time taken to complete 1500 meter. Now convert this 1500 meter to kilometer. Then divide by 1000. Why? 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Divide by 1000 because 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Now we are converting this 1500. Then 1500 meter is nothing but 1500 by 1000 is these two zeros. Yes, these two zeros. Then 15 by 10 is 1.5 km, kilometer. Converted 1.5 kilometer. Yes, this is the answer. Right, first Mahesh traveled 1500 meter by a cycle at the speed of 10 meter per second. Then find the time taken to cover that distance. Then the time taken is 150 seconds. Then convert this distance to kilometer. To convert kilometer, just you divide by 1000. Divide by 1000. Then we can get it is in 1.5 kilometer. Simple, no? Yes, write down this one. After this, you should practice change the values of time and speed, then find distance, or change the value of distance and time, find its speed. Practice more problems, then the formula will be remains in your mind. D. A bowler bowls at a speed of a bowler bowls at a speed of 110 meters per second. Find the distance. How far will the ball reach? How far will the ball reach how far will the ball reach in 3.5 seconds? Yes, the speed of the ball given, the time given, the distance, how much distance it will reach after 3.5 seconds, that you have to calculate. That speed is equals to 110 meter per second and time is 3.5 seconds. Yes, this we can change to, yes, mixed number to improper. 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7/2 seconds. 7/2 seconds. Then we can find, yes, the distance d is equals to speed into time. Speed is 110, then time is 7/2 seconds. Then 2 1 time, 255 times. Then 55 into 7. 5 7s are 35, 3 carry, 5 7s are 35, again 3 38. 385 meter. How much meter it will travel? Yes, 385 meter. In how many seconds? 3.5 seconds. Yes, you can write how far will the ball reach in 300 seconds. Yes, the ball reach in 3.5 seconds is 385 meters. Yes, write down. Very simple. The time is given and the speed is given. We should find the distance. And after this, each one. Yes. If Chandrayaan covers a distance, if Chandrayaan covers a distance of 50,000 kilometers in 4 hours. In 4 hours, then you should find its speed. Then what is its speed? Then what is its speed? Very simple, directly what they asked, only speed. Yes, we can write distance d is equals to 50,000 kilometer. Time is equals to 4 hours. Then speed is equals to question mark. Right, speed is equals to formula distance by time. Distance is how much? 50,000 kilometer. Time is 4 hours. Then we can divide or we can cancellation we can do. That we will get nearly about, yes, 4 1 time 4, 12,500 times. 4 1s are 4, 2 remains, 1 remains, 1 0 is 4 2s are 8, again 2 remains, 20, 4 5s are 20, these 2 zeros. 12,500 meter per second. Yes, sorry, kilometer per hour, not meter per second, kilometer per hour. 12,500 kilometer per hour. Very high speed. Yes, that's the rockets Chandrayaan that moves 50,000 kilometer in only 4 hours. then in 1 hour it moves, yes, 12,500 kilometers. Write down. The speed of Chandrayaan is 12,500 kilometers per hour. Yes, can you see this clearly? Yes, it is very clear. Next question. F1. A tempo covers a distance of 200 to 22 kilometers. A tempo covers the distance of 222 kilometer in 3 hours. In 3 hours. Find its speed. Find its speed in kilometer per hour and meter per second. Speed in both kilometer per hour and meter per second. Very simple. Now we can write, yes, distance is d is equals to 222 kilometer, then time t is equals to 3 hours, then s is equals to question mark, that is speed. Speed is equals to, what is the formula? Distance by time. Then distance is 222 by time is 3 hours. 3 one time, 3 7 times, again 21, 1 remains, again 12, 7 4, 3 4s are 12, then 74 we can write kilometer per hour. This is first one hour. We got in kilometer per hour. Just convert this second one. 74 kilometer per hour convert to meter per second. That is very simple. What will you multiply to convert meter per second? Yes, multiply by 5 by 18. Yes, 1000 you multiply, divide by 60 into 60. Yes or no? That is 3600. This one 0, this one 0. Both zeros will cancel. Next here 36. 10 by 36. 2s are 5 2s are, sorry, 2 5s are 2 18s are. 2 5s are 2 18s are, then 5 by 18. This one you have to multiply for this 74. Then you will get meter per second. Yes, multiply by 5 by 18 to get in meter per second. Then 74 into 5 by 18, that is equals to 74 5s. We can calculate 74 into 5. 74 5s. Directly we can write the answer is multiply 74 into 5 by 18. 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 7 5s are 35 plus 2 37, 370 by 18. Divide this 370. 370 by 18. 2s are 36. 18 2s are 36. 1 remain. Again zeros. 18 5s are. Here 1 0 taken means yes. This 0 you bring down. It's not possible. Take 1 0. Then there also you can insert 1 0. Yes. Now 18 5s are 90. Again 10 remains. Yes or no? Again 18 5s are 90. Whatever you have to subtract, then you get all 10 10 10 like this only. Then we can write its speed in meter per second is 20.55 meter per second. It is near to 20.55 meter per second. Yes, write down this two. Very clear. E, then F and G are simple problems. Yes, the next question is F1 G, F solved, Gth one. Yes, last one. This is yes, Minard ran a race and covered the distance of 500 meters and covered a distance 500 meters. He ran and covered the distance 500 meters in 50 seconds. In 50 seconds. Yes, you should find her speed in meter per second. Find her speed in meter per second and kilometer per hour. Both you calculate. Like previous example. Simple, first you find in a meter per second. Why? The 500 meter is given, 50 seconds is given. We will get meter per second. Then distance is equals to 500 meter. Yes, time t is equals to 50 seconds. Then s is equals to question mark. Speed is equals to distance by time. What is distance? 500 meter, 50 seconds. Yes or no? Then 50 ones are 50 tens are 10 meter per second. His speed is, her speed is 10 meter per second. This is first one. Next is convert 10 meter per second to kilometer per hour. Very simple. Multiply by, there you multiply by 5 by 18. Here reverse. 18 by 5. Then 10 into 18 by 5. That is equals to 5 one time, 5 two times 2. 18 is 36 kilometer per hour. We can write 36 kilometer per hour. Yes. Her speed in kilometer per hour is 10 meter per second. Then in kilometer per hour is, yes, it is meter per second, it is in kilometer per, that is 36 kilometer per hour. Yes, write down. With this we completed our lesson, that is speed, distance and time. Yes, if you get any doubt while finding the speed, distance or time, you can give a call to me. Yes, with this I will conclude today's class. we'll see in the next class about bills. Okay, thank you.